Hi everyone, my name is Hanis Zalikha. I am a wife, a mom. I own a fashion line, and day to day I also run a company which have few brands under it. And yeah, I love fashion. My signature style, I would say I love wearing something that's comfortable yet very flattering to your figure. And for me, it's all about confidence. If you wear something that you're confident in, it will definitely look good. Oh, this is a tough one. I love the one that I'm wearing. And I also love all the flowy ones because it looks effortless. I love the prints, but if you ask me for a favorite, I would say this one, definitely. Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to grab this collection, Hanis Zalikha X Poplook, for limited time only.